He thinks he's getting some. He's not.
Anyway, so surprise. Apparently, my sister's like, yeah, I'm getting ice cream. You want ice cream? I'm just like, and yes. So anyway, this is apparently a new thing. I didn't know about it, but she was like reading off what they have, and apparently there's this new thing. I just found a screenshot for it on Instagram now, because I went to I typed in Dairy Queen menu just on Google, and when I went to the thing, I didn't see it listed underneath the Blizzard Treats option. So I was like, okay. Anyway, so yeah, this is the from Dairy Queen. Their new, apparently it's like the new month item or something. So yeah, Dairy Queen's Oreo Snowdrift Blizzard. I thought she said Snowdrip. I was like, Snowdrip? What? No, Snowdrift Blizzard. And apparently it is Oreo cookies with, it looks like vanilla. It's all served that they dyed blue. Cake batter, swirl pieces, something, and then marshmallow, something. I don't know. Ooh, it's cold. You can't have it either, and neither can you. You're adorable, but you can't have it. It's giving Cookie Monster vibes with the blue. No, that's not for you. I just put this. I didn't. I'm like, give me the spoon. Give me the spoon. I thought there was something on my spoon, so I was like, what the fuck is on my... There. So it literally just came. It hasn't been sitting or anything. It looks like it has. Ma'am. Child. And of course, you're starting whatever noise you make anyway. Yeah, doesn't the blue give you like Cookie Monster vibes, or is it just me? She is my child. She really is. Aren't you, boo boo? And mom's little human baby. How do I do this? Oh, that is a wonderful view of all of this. Ooh, someone's giving like cheese pill vibes. That's well. That's well. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, I'm assuming that's like the marshmallow I got the most of. Sir. That's what he's throwing a fit about. Anyway, I was like, you can't even see what he's doing. You're okay. She's allowed to look at you. She can look at you. I'm sorry, she can't. I love you. Look at your little snoot right there, little snooty snoot. Yeah. So it's like I took a bite and it was like mostly it's kind of like a melted almost like that marshmallow fluff in a jar. But the taste almost kind of reminded me of like sweet. Come on, brain, work for me. Like vanilla icing, like cake icing. There's like no way for me to hold this and get it on camera. Please don't let me spill this. I'll be so sad. Is that what they meant by like the cake part? There's like cake frosting. It's good. It's definitely on the sweet side though. Yeah, she was like describing it to me, and I kind of like zoned out like fucking Homer Simpson. I was like, donuts. So, I don't know. I'll have to read the description of it. I just took a screenshot of the thing on Instagram that someone did, and yeah, it's pretty good. It is on the sweet side. No shit, it's ice cream with fucking cookies and cake and marshmallows. No fucking shit. It's gonna be sweet. It's good that I do like it. I would get this again, but sir, you're okay. She can get under the covers. She's just a little cold kitten. Said that her mom won't share things with her, even though they had treats. They had treats before the ice cream even got here. Dude, she's just trying to get under the covers. Calm down. My blue. That blue. I know it might be. What is the blue equivalent of like the red dye 40? There it is, and food coloring. Anyway, what was I gonna rate it? I think on the sweetness scale, it's like a 7 or 8, at least for me. I think just on a rating of how much I enjoyed it, it's also about there. I don't know. I do like that. I'm gonna get that again, and I'm gonna eat that before it melts any more than it already is. Yeah, like how scratch your bye.